Need to rearrange, delete, rotate, or organize pages in a PDF document? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to organize PDF pages in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC quickly and easily. Follow along to keep your documents neat and professionally arranged. First, open your PDF file in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Once the document is open, go to the Tools menu and select Organize Pages. This will display all the pages in your PDF as thumbnails, making them easy to manage. From here, you can click and drag pages to rearrange them in any order you like. If you need to remove a page, click on the page thumbnail and select Delete. Once you're satisfied with the changes, click File and then Save to keep the updated page arrangement. And that's it. You've successfully organized PDF pages in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more tutorials for additional PDF editing tips and tricks.